we're going to simulate if the positive or negative battery cable gets disconnected while the vehicle is moving and the air conditioner is on. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the negative battery cable. Engine is still running. Now we're going to disconnect the positive battery cable. The engine is still running. Now this vehicle is fairly modern. It has quite a few computers in it. So as you can see, at least on this model, it does not affect the vehicle while it's moving.